Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start with two essentials: admin rights and a registry backup, because you will be editing keys. Once you have those, open Regedit and navigate to HKey classes root /directory/background/shell for folder background, or HKey classes root \**shell for all files. This is where the right-click entries live. Create a new key named Powershell, then add a subkey called command. This immediate action places the entry. Next, we'll give it the correct executable path and parameters, so it runs as expected. Now you specify exactly what runs when the menu item is clicked. In the command subkey, set the default value to PowerShell. exe no exit command set location %v, so PowerShell opens at the selected folder path. Once done, add an icon string value pointing to PowerShell. exe to make the menu recognizable. Make sure to use %v for background context and %1 for file contexts. These tokens resolve the target path. Finally, adjust permissions if the menu isn't visible for non-admin accounts. Finish by refreshing Explorer. Either sign out and back in or restart Explorer. exe, this forces Windows to read the new keys. If the PowerShell entry does not appear, make sure you placed keys under the correct root, directory \background versus asterisk, verify default command string accuracy, and confirm quotes and %tokens. If things go wrong, import your registry backup to revert. If Windows blocks changes, boot to safe mode to undo edits. One troubleshooting tip: double-check 32-bit versus 64-bit registry redirection when on x64 systems.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.